ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India finally. I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Kidon hadu praspa kat sangut ke Samla Pule, Blesha Pynkup Burom haka third convocation jangka William Carey University Meghalaya, kabla long haka pradrik unai wing arajar arpulai. Kini kikin thop ke Samla Pule kebla pendep ke jing Pule haka PhD, postgraduate, undergraduate, but ke postgraduate diploma. Haka nega jing Pynkup Burom yakini ke Samla Pule lasa khilang do menteri ketanat Pule Puthi ke Sarkar Jilla urakma e sangma ublalong kumukongsan haka nega sngi ringkat ke jing sa khilang jo vice chancellor Burom Sanjeev Kumar Sharma ke vice chancellor beminta jong ke university ke professor Dr Soma Bhomik nohikai bat ke Samla Pule jong ke ni ke university. Lepin shongkon ya ke nega sngi sa ki jing rai bat ki jing shat kan rai de ke Samla Pule.
Today, as we congratulate each one of you, I also brings the greetings from our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Samla, to all of you, and our entire cabinet, the entire officers of the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya. On your achievement day today, on the certification day today, this is a day that your parents will really be proud of you. Today, on your convocation, it's a time to make your parents cry. Because on your excellent performance, on your outstanding performance today, there will be tears of happiness and the joy on your success from your mother and from your father. Please make your parents cry with your academic performance, with your displaying of your talent and the one that God gifted to you. Therefore today, as you make your parents cry today, and at the same time your parents is being proud of you. May I urge each one of you this afternoon today, as you serve the society, as you serve the church, as you serve the government, as you serve in any capacity, make smile on every individual lives that you encounter, that you will see. This will be testimony of your university. Now as you move out of this university, you will feel that I am being sent in the midst of all these troubles, all the midst of difficulties. You have to face more challenges now. Therefore, from all graduates, not only the nation, your community, your people, your parents, university, in your churches, expecting your contribution and your service to make the things better. This afternoon, let us remind ourselves the contributions of the William Carey, the greatest Christian missionary from overseas that come to northeastern state and even in West Bengal, the Calcutta. There are more than about 20,000 graduates always every year. If we talk about Meghalaya, out of 20,000 graduates, I'm talking about graduate. If we include the postgraduate, it will even cross 20,000, 25,000. In Meghalaya, out of graduate every year, the government sector can only accommodate not more than 2,000 in a year in the government sector. Remember, 20,000 plus being graduate every year, but in government sector, in the government of Meghalaya, only maximum 1,500 to 22,000 is being vacant arise in the government sector. The rest 18,000 every year will be unemployed if you look at the government sector. In 5 years, about 90,000 young graduates will be unemployed in the state of Meghalaya. Therefore, always remember the Darwin theory, the survival of the fittest. But there are many sectors where we have not been rich. Therefore today, under NEP, the multidisciplinary courses has been introduced, so that according to your potentiality, according to your strength, according to the strength of our people, the course can be adopted. Like the sport. Since 90% of the students are from northeastern region. And I would like to urge all the graduates today, especially the Meghalayans, we always think only about Meghalaya. We only think only up to Khandapara, up to the Paikan. But as a graduate, as an educated, we should be always ready to beyond the boundary, beyond our state boundary, beyond our family boundary. You have been graduate, you should be well equipped to go anywhere, to work anywhere across the nation and at the global stage. Therefore today, on this graduating day, I would like to request all the graduates and all my dear students, let us prepare to face the challenges and let us sky our destiny.
By the ceremony of incense burning known as Sasat Suwa. This is performed inside the house of the chief or the Nogma of the village. The chief amidst of burning incense, beating of drums and chanting of the people utters a few words of magic and pours rice beer and sprinkle rice powder over a collection of jum cultivation products offered to gods. This immediately followed by drinking, dancing and merry-making.
We have always believed that no self-realization can be possible without a guru. A real guru always feels happy and elated to witness the growth of his students. One Sanskrit shloka pronounces that a worthy teacher always dreams of getting defeated by his students in excellence. In this situation, I am aware that all of your gurus in the university must be really happy to see you growing. Your advancement to becoming a better human being is always a pleasure for your parents also. They must have toiled hard and have definitely invested much of their life into your future. Many a time you might be completely unaware of the amount of sacrifice made by your parents to see you what you have become today. Their innate happiness in your growth will be doubled today by looking at your smiling faces with these degrees and medals, as our Honorable Minister was also mentioning. I am compelled to appreciate the efforts of the management of the university in providing you the best possible academic environment. I am privy to their attempts to increase the infrastructural facilities along with the provisions for your better growth and striving to implement the National Education Policy 2020 for undergraduate students. You must not forget to express your gratitude as graduating students today to anyone who has helped in you in any form in your academic journey. Every student present here amongst you representing lakhs of Indians. This uniqueness may bring a sense of pride, privilege and rarity. This must also bring a strong sense of self-esteem and self-confidence in all of you. But as an enlightened citizen of India, you have a greater responsibility than others. You must prove your excellence in each and every part of your life. You must be conducting yourself in future course of life in such a manner that everyone associated with you feels proud of you. You will have to set great standards. Your future plans must be equipped with your sense of accountability to the society. As you are entering into a new dawn of your life, I pray to God the Almighty that all your wishes and dreams are fulfilled. Once again, I congratulate you all on this convocation. May God bless you all. Thanks.
Dr. Samla, Harwal. From the Department of English, we have Shahu, Dr. Anima Mazumdar, Dr. H. Andrew Zimic, Dr. Burom Ted,